Hello. So right now we are reviewing Netbeans ID. So let's start it. Netbeans starts very quickly, at least compared with other IDs I'm running. I'm used to run Visual Studio, like IntelliJ IDEA or those like this. But I can say definitely Netbeans starts quicker than them, 2 or 3 times faster, it feels to me. So let's create a simple project to have a good example. I'll, if you do want to share the project with other people, you should choose Maven because this will be opened by Eclipse or IntelliJ IDEA. But let's not go into there this time. So let's create a Java fxml application, and to get a let's create a simple login dialog effects. Okay, we will change a bit the code fx. I'm trying to use it exactly like it would be um, generally used with various tools like refactoring. We can see that code completion was working kind of okay. I'm also trying to take various parts of the code, so I'll get a controller, loader, get controller. Let's see, this is my name, so Cyprian, and a password. So there is no method. I press Alt Enter to give to me this that creation. Okay, we have to have two more components. That's the user field. Okay, and this will be pass field. Okay, so we didn't yet declare them. We have to go in the fxml side. Okay, so I'll go to where could it be? Yeah, so we should create if I remember right. I will change few other things. This will be, and this will be pass field, user field. See them in the controller, pass field, user field. Perfect. So for setting password, it will be okay, user pass user field dot. It tries to fill the name. Was not successful, but it worked correctly. Okay, and here I will display the users on a password. We click user plus user field dot get text plus I'll put it like this. Yeah, dot, there. So it works with multiple ways of apps. What else can we do? Let's see if it gives some helps. No, yeah, this is not so useful. Okay, let's try to test the application. I misclicked. Okay, so it looks like the user and password works on our application. Let's try a bit more to do other things. Pressing Alt Shift F will reformat, which is very nice. What else can we do? I think this is it. So, what can we say about NetBeans in few words? It is a complete IDE. It supports multiple types of projects. Let's take, for example, a swing project, and it looks like also it supports swing, and it has like support for many refactors which we are used to use them from IntelliJ, like smart ways to replace code to use lambdas, for example, and things like this. It feels fast. It feels sometimes not so polished, but it's in part also because it's fully free. But on otherwise than this, it has one of the best out of the box experience. I'm surprised, in fact, how good it is. And I remember also there are some other small changes and fixes. So let's write like this, which is an error. I'll save it, and you see that even if I'm closing the project, or let me restart NetBeans. So I'm restarting NetBeans now. So as far as I remember, it will show exactly which file has which error there. So when you work on a big code base, or even when you update from Git or things like that, you'll see right away the errors, which is very nice. In fact, I would love the IntelliJ idea to have it. And also, I think this is one of the few reasons why sometimes I'm choosing NetBeans to idea when I would want to make a simple project. Similarly, it has a built-in profiler. Sometimes it's not working to say you, I, I don't know why. Let's try it. But when it works, it's working excellently. Let's see it now. Yeah, so this time it was working. It looks like it's working. So you can see in real time what thing uses and how much time. So you could see that there is some event queue, there is some quantum renderer, there is some direct 3D, which is very nice to know that JavaFX and Swing, they use these technologies all together. Okay, so kind of this is it. I will give it as a mark, I think 8 out of 10, especially that if you use debugging, you'll feel the pain of having a debugger which is fully working but not an optimal debugger, if you get me what I mean. Like or you'll see some refactors really make no sense, or they got a bit broken, but if you take this aside, it is really an excellent tool.